Sensibility and practicality define the 2010 Ford Mustang. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, variably intermittent wipers, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.